running for president, he loses his show.
Yeah.
You can't do that. How is it that, anybody like Mike Huckabee is different than Michael Bloomberg? How can the guy who owns it, and they say, oh, by the way, we're only going to investigate this, and how is it those journalists don't rebel? Go, wait a minute.
You're telling me I can't? Like, there's a big story about Elizabeth Warren, and we can't report on it? That basically you're saying, oh, all we can do is aggregate other people's reporting. We can't do any investigations. Like, if you're a journalist, you got into journalism to do investigations, and now you're like, well, you can just, these people are off limits.
Yeah.
Remember the whole do not prosecute list we talked about in Ukraine? That was so controversial. Like, that's essentially what they've done. They've created a do not investigate list. How can they have any credibility? And a lot of this stuff just comes from the news organizations. Fox News fires those people not because fires them, makes them leave their shows because they're running for president. Not because necessarily they have to on cable, because they have they have standards. They're saying to themselves, we're not going to allow, we can't allow even the appearance.
What is he going to say when Trump leaves office in 2028?
Just to screw with people. I mean, Bloomberg went for 3 terms. Why not?
Right.
There you go.
And he changed it.
He changed the Constitution of New York City to do it.
That's right. So when Donald Trump leaves in 2024, and he starts the Trump television news network,
which is almost certainly going to happen.
It's going to happen. It's going to happen. What are they going to say? What are they going to say? Are they going to allow Trump's reporters into the White House? Of course not.
No,
of course
they're
not.
going to ban all of them. No, they're not.
Especially if Trump was running for president.
Yep.
You've got Bloomberg running for president, and Trump says, I'm not letting him in. I'm not letting his people in here. No.
I think President West would allow them in. President Kanye West. I think he'd probably allow them.
Yeah, well, that's 2024.
Yeah, right.
That's happening in 2024. So it'll be a whole new world when we have President West in office.
Guys, I actually thought Adam West. What's that when he said West? How old am I?
I know, I was thinking Wild Wild West. I was like, what is that? Was it Jim Gordon, or what was that guy's name?
I don't even think you should have an election. Just give the presidency to Kanye West. It's obviously going to some Kardashian, so let's just pick one. At least Kanye seems kind of Republican. I mean, Kardashian has to be the next president of the United States.
And look, he's black. He has a relative that is transgender.
Yeah.
I mean, he's got it all. He has everything.
He's gonna do very well in the intersectionality Olympics.
Yeah, he'll be great. He'll be great. All right.